Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we shall be learning how to withdraw from Forex Royale application. So first and foremost, if you don't have the Forex Royale application, come to Google Play Store and then search for Forex Royale application. So when you search for it, you see this application here with a crown on it over here, and then make sure that you download it. So after downloading it, tap on play over here. Okay, and this is how it looks like. Okay, so when you come to Google over here and you search for how to withdraw from Forex Royale over here, okay, when you search for this is the result that they will show you over here. Okay, they will show you that you'll need to log into your account, allocate your withdraw, and then tap on withdraw option. But what you have to note is one, that the Forex Royale application is just a simulator application. This means you just come here and learn how to trade, but it doesn't mean that you're really trading on real money. So this means everything is just virtual. Okay, it's just like giving you an example. If you're having a football simulator application and you're the football manager, this means you're just a virtual manager of this football simulator application. It is not real over here. And even if I come here and trade or buy anything over here, it won't be real because it's just a football or it's just a simulator application which isn't real. So there is no possible way that you can come and withdraw from the Forex Royale application. It's only used to come and train you how to trade, and then after learning how to trade, you can go on trusted brokers like Xness, you can go on FX trades and then learn how to trade, or you can even go on XM and then learn how to trade, and then after trading you come and then withdraw your money from that broker over there. But from FX Royale over here, you won't be able to withdraw any money. As you can see, it just keeps on loading ads over here. This means the makers of this application just want to make money, but they are not here to give anyone money. Okay, so that's it guys. If you found value in this video, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, we shall meet.